As welcome to another video. Today we are at Insurance Auto Auction. Surprisingly, it is not windy and it is actually dry. So I picked up a Civic. By the way, if you guys don't know this, I absolutely dislike these cars. This is probably my least favorite car I have ever encountered, I'd have to say. The reason being is my parents had one for about 10-11 years and it's such a cheap car. Like, there are so many other cars you could buy like cheaper than a Honda Civic that will feel so much better. So I'm not a big fan, but this is a hybrid. It's a 2008, decent mileage. Clearly it's a salvage title because we're at Insurance Auto Auction, and it had rear end damage, but by the pictures it looks so minor that I think this will be a super quick flip. Is it a fast car? Is it a fast car? Yeah? This kid might be, I want to say, a bigger kid fanatic than I am. He's gonna show me a really fast car. So color and then like spoilers and stuff to him means fast car. This one is a fast car? Wow. What's another fast car? Do you see any other fast cars? No? This is another fast one? That one too? Looks like spoilers mean fast car, yeah? So while I'm waiting for the car to get pulled out, what did I pay for it? The winning bid was $1,500 after $400 in fees. $400. This is what like blows my mind. ADESA Mannheim dealer only auctions, half of that. Half. And this is like literally for nothing, $400. Yeah, we're basically at $1,898 for this Civic. I just hope it runs good with no issues. Heck, funny. So this dude drops it off. Noah sees the little spoiler and goes, hey, look, this is little, so it's a little bit fast. Yeah? But here is the car, and this is the rear end damage. I haven't seen underneath, but I saw the muffler was straight, so I figured it will be okay. Yeah, I don't see anything crazy. Nice interior color. So looks like battery is okay-ish. Steering wheel is locked. So here's the little hybrid motor. I think it's like a 1.3. Oh, we have oil. Looks like it's fresh. I don't foresee any issues because it wasn't damaged in the front. I don't know what that is, coolant, or yeah, coolant is going to the radiator. So let's check that if I could see anything. Yeah, we have some down there. Oh, we even have a transmission dipstick. Thanks, babe. I don't know if we'll need it though. We'll check. Okay, so we have transmission. You want to start it, please?
I thought you couldn't start it.
I should be able to. Look at that. Hybrid. Wow, it sounds really good. Sounds healthy. So it's a little dirty, especially this right here. Carpets, seats, so I will probably take it to my detailer, have them clean it up a little bit. Tires don't look to be the best. This is the only other thing, the slight gap here. But we'll take it to the lot and we'll take a look. Hopefully it runs with no issues. I don't really see any other damage aside from just that rear right there. Now look at that, it sounds really healthy. All right, maiden voyage. Wow, that was a little aggressive. Dang, dude. Okay, actually I wanna reset the trip permit. Oh, trip permit, wow, the trip. All right, here we go. And take a wild guess what I forgot. My dealer plate. That's right, no plates. We are rolling. We are rolling. Here are the first impressions. When you first stop or start from a stop, it almost acts like a manual car, because I guess when you're, you know, stopped, it's working on the hybrid motor, electric motor, and then once you give it gas, it kind of takes like a second to kick in, so there's a slight delay. It's almost like when you're switching from letting off the clutch and applying the gas pedal. It's a little trippy. I don't think I like it. Okay, I got another update for you guys. So right before I went to pick this thing up, I was bidding on cars, and I won a 2011 Chevy Traverse, black leather. I mean, it looked like it was a pretty solid rig for $2,800. After fees, it was literally like $3,050. So really good price, because with that mileage, cheapest one on Craigslist was, I don't know, like $6.5, $7 grand. So I got it half price. I mean, easy money if it had no mechanical issues, as always. But right now, Jordan from ADESA called me and he goes, hey man, I got some bad news for you. And I thought he was gonna tell me about another truck that I was the highest bidder on. But he goes, so Westlake, the sellers of the Traverse, they just got a hold of him and said that the people that own that car, they just paid it off. So Westlake is no longer, I guess, technically the owners of it, and they can't sell it. So I don't get that Traverse. I have never had that happen to me before. I didn't even know that was possible. As far as I knew, like, you know, car got repoed, that's it. It's repoed. And, you know, it could have been like, hey, we're gonna hold it for 2 weeks, see if they're gonna pay it off. No, it went through the auction. I won it. It was sold. It was posted on my account. I was literally gonna send the wire transfer right then and there, but then I won the other, well, a Dodge Ram. Like 3 minutes after this one, I was like, I'm gonna wait so I don't have to pay $25 fee, because that one went on offer. So I figured if I could save 25 bucks and just pay for 2 cars with 1 wire transfer, why not? But I don't get the darn Traverse. Like, what the heck? But on a positive note, we are 5.4 miles away from the auction. This car is running extremely well. I'll have to see what that light is for. I mean, maybe just a little bit lower tire pressure or a sensor went out. But honestly, that's like the least area of concern. See, now it just kicks in and then we go. So that's a little weird to me. The only mechanical thing that I notice is it pulls a little bit to the right. So if I let go of the steering wheel, it pulls to the right. And I'm trying to decide, do I want to clean this thing up or do I just want to drop it off on my detailer and have him do it? That's probably going to be the better case. And let me know what you guys think of this interior. I feel like that's pretty kind of rare, almost a two-tone blue, and the car is blue with like a beige, I guess, if you will. I kind of like it. The dash, you know, it's like darker blue and then some black spots with beige. I think it looks pretty good. But honestly, I'm surprised I got this car at this price with the damage it has. These are the types of cars that I love to buy. Salvage title, very minimal damage. I have absolutely no problem showing the next owner pictures of the car so they could see it. And I mean, mechanically it runs great. Just clean up, take pictures and sell it. Made it to the lot, absolutely no issues. It's right in front of me. So now I got 2 Civics. Take a look at that. A hybrid and the faded paint Civic. The video is gonna drop for that one sometime later. Probably not anytime soon, but that's gonna be a slightly different format video. We're gonna try something new, but that's what it is. Got brother on my way, or on the way here. We gotta run some errands. But yeah, guys, I would say this was a killer purchase. I am very, very happy with it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for joining. Please subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section below. What do you think of this purchase? What do you think of this deal? And I will see you guys in another video.